Here you see the bolded letter. For the bolded letters, we have to write the phrasal verbs. Hand in, hand in. The meaning of the other meaning for the submit, the phrasal verb for the submit is hand in. Follow, abide by. The correct preposition we have to use after the verb. Which preposition has to be used after this word, after this clue? Okay. I have to submit this assignment tomorrow. Hand in. We have to follow the traffic rules. We have to abide by the traffic rules. Abide by. I have the same opinion as you. I do not think we should delay any longer. Here, agree. I agree with you. The other phrasal verb we can use here is I agree with you. The pain in his leg has reduced. Reduced means eased up. Here we have reduced past tense. So eased up. Okay. The past tense form only we need to use. Reduced, eased up. You must be quick or we will miss the bus. Hurry, hurry up. We must be hurry up. We must hurry up. Sunita can be a part of the discussion and share her thoughts. Join in the discussion. Sunita can join in the discussion and share her thoughts. Join in. The correct preposition has to be used here after the verb. Abide, hand, agree, reduced, hurry, join, easy. Okay, these are all the phrasal verbs, the appropriate phrasal verbs. And here we have a phrase that begins with a preposition is called a prepositional phrase. Here the phrases begins with a verb. So these are phrasal verbs. Here when the words begins with a preposition, those are called prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrases. They scratched and painted on cave walls, drew on wet clay and carved on stone. In the above sentence, on stone. Okay, drew on cave walls is the preposition and on stone is the prepositional phrase. Here on stone is the prepositional phrase. Two words together phrase, and when the words begin with when the phrase begins with a preposition, that is called a prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrases perform the function of an adjective or an adverb. As an adjective, they answer the question which one. As an adverb, they answer the question where, when and how. Here on stone, where they wrote on stone. Okay, so that is an adverb. Okay. Here for example, the glass of milk on the table is for you. Which one? The one on the table. Which one is on the table? The glass of milk is on the table. Okay. Which one? The one on the table. And next, all of us met at the library. Where they met? At the library. Okay, so that is prepositional phrase, adverb. Okay, I saw him before the show. When they met, when I saw him before the show. So when, adverb. Okay, he pulled the rope with all his might. How he pulled the rope? With all his might. So that is an adverb. So next, underline the prepositional phrase in each sentence. One has been done for you. We sang along with the band. We sang along with the band. Here, along with the band. Along is a preposition, with the band is a phrase. Along, prepositional phrase. Along with the band is a prepositional phrase. The football rolled underneath the track. Here, underneath the track. Rolled is a verb. Underneath the truck. So this is prepositional phrase, underneath the truck. They continued to work until the whole house was painted. Until the whole house was painted. That is a prepositional phrase. Tarun waited until The tall sailing ship disappeared beyond the horizon. Beyond the horizon. Okay. You can find the cafeteria right by the school library. You can find the cafeteria right by the school library. By the school library. These are the phrasal verbs, prepositional phrasal verbs. The shop manager puts the newest toys near the front entrance. Where he kept? Near the front entrance. Okay, these are the prepositional phrases. And next Roman you have here is complete the sentences by choosing the correct prepositional phrases from the box. The teacher asked us to learn the poems by heart. To learn the poems by heart. My cousins are here. My cousins are here, dash. She was running late, so she. You have to answer all these. I told you how to answer. She was running late, so she. I spoke to him, dash, yesterday. He tried to repair the tap, dash. The new building is still, dash. The new building is still, dash. Okay, this has to be answered by you, the Roman 4. Okay, do it well. And next we have listening. Listening to simple instructions. We don't have audio CD here, so leave it. Listen to a set of instructions and carry them out in the class. Leave it. Next, speaking. Listen to what Rima has to say about paper. About paper. Rima is telling one paragraph here. Group discussion. Paper is one of the most useful things in our lives. Before the invention of paper, people had to write on barks of trees and sometimes on cloth. Now we use paper for many different purposes. It has many uses. We use it for writing, for making envelopes, bags and books, among other things. We must not waste paper and must learn how to recycle waste material into paper. It is a good idea to use recycled paper whenever we can. Okay. Now, Rima has told about paper. Now, you have to work in groups and you have to speak about these 4. Electricity, water, paper, trees. What they told, it works in groups 3 or 4 and choose one of them. Discuss the importance of item you have chosen. Electricity is important for us. Water, paper, trees, these are all very important in our lives. Yes. So how they are important and different ways of saving and conserving it. How to save electricity, how to save water, different ways of saving trees, saving paper. The different ways you just think here. We can't discuss with others, so you just think about it. If you can, you just write a paragraph like here and send me through WhatsApp. Okay, good. Next, writing notice. The crafts club in your school is holding an exhibition of recycled paper. Complete the notice given on the next page announcing in the exhibition. Here, crafts club is holding an exhibition of recycled paper. Okay, here we need to complete the notice for the crafts club recycled paper exhibition. Okay, so here notice crafts club. Who is getting notice? The main heading crafts club. What is the matter about? Paper exhibition. And dash of recycled paper made by dash of the dash shall be held on the time and date. The exhibition will be in the place you have to write here. Students shall give a demonstration of recycling paper. Several articles made from recycled such as letter pads, envelopes, carry bags and greeting cards shall be put up for sale. Please do come with your family and friends for the event. Signature. Who are writing these notice only have to signature should be yours. Okay. If Tanmay is writing this club, signature should be Tanmay's. Ditya's. Okay, like that. So here, what we have to write? Paper exhibition. Here, An exhibition of recycled paper made by used paper. Like, you should write of your own. You just write and send me through WhatsApp. Only use pencil. If you got any mistakes, you can rub and write. Okay, don't use pen. Okay, you just try this one. Okay, later I will tell. If you can't, I will tell. Okay, you just send me through WhatsApp after completion of your notice. Write a notice to put up on the school notice board inviting students to participate in poster making competition to be held on 20th August. So this is 1 and this is 2. Here they have given you all matter, only blanks you have to fill. Here everything you have to be done. Okay, the poster making here. Next, English around us, poster. Go green, go paperless. What does this paper mean? So this poster mean? Discuss in the class. Discuss in the class. Go green, go paperless. Why? Because we are using so many trees. We are cutting down so many trees for making paper. So they are using go green, go paperless. If you reduce the use of paper, then we can control the cutting down of trees. The usage of paper depends on, is proportional to cutting down of trees. Okay, so don't waste the paper. And next we have value for me. We have seen the wood is an important ingredient for making paper. Trees are home to many animals, birds and insects. Should trees be protected? Also discuss ways in which you can make your neighborhood greener. Okay, you just think of it. This is our second lesson, the amazing history of your paper. The all textual part has been completed by me, and you only have incomplete to complete these all. Okay, you have work to complete these all, and you just try to answer these question and answers also. Read and answer also, try to answer them. Okay, up to then, see you in the next video. Up to then, bye bye students.